Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the iPhone fonts or how to customize iPhone fonts on your Apple device. So guys, if you want to customize iPhone fonts, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, first of all, go to your settings and then go to general, go to software update and update your software to the latest version. So guys, do this, and after this go back and now scroll it below, and from here tap on fonts, and from here you can go to system fonts, and from here you can select any system font from here if you are able to select it. So guys, the first way is this, and the second way is that you have to simply go back to your home screen and lock the screen, and now press and hold the screen. So guys, simply press and hold the screen, and now you have to go to customize, and you can select any text from here, and you can change the font style of the clock from here. So guys, you can see this, you can easily change the fonts for this clock. So guys, you can see this is the first way, and the second way is that you have to simply go back to your home screen, and now you have to go to any app for being downloaded. Simply go to App Store and search for iPhones or the iPhone. So guys, simply download and install this app. You have to simply get this app, and with the help of this app you can easily get the new font styles for your Apple device. So guys, you can see this, you can get a lot of fonts style. You can easily get them, or you can easily apply them for your Apple device from here with the help of this app. So guys, these are the ways which you can use to customize iPhone fonts very easily. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.